A piece of legislation that sets up the districts and the BARMM with finality is needed before the polls to validly elect the leaders of the region. A districting law that also transgresses the BARMM charter, which expresses outlaws changes in the charter for months before votes are cast. Hence, the poll body seeks congressional aid to help tide them across these legal straits, as our Bien Vinny Manalo reports.
3 months before the scheduled March 30 Bangsamoro parliamentary elections, the Commission on Elections or COMELEC is concerned because a districting law for the Bangsamoro region still hasn't been passed until now and is already beyond the October 30 and November 30 deadlines, which the poll body itself set as a waiting period before actually acting on the matter. The COMELEC said if there is a districting law in the next weeks or months, it could violate Republic Act 8189 or the continuing registration law, which prohibits any alterations or changes 120 days before the election day.
Sa kasalukuyan po, aaminin namin, the COMELEC really is in quandary kung ano na po ang mangyayari sa ating pong Bangsamoro. Pero siyempre, kung yan ay magagawan pa rin ng paraan ng Bangsamoro, titingnan pa rin po ni COMELEC kung kaya namin gawa ng paraan na ma-hold pa rin na eleksyon sa March 30.
The poll body explained that they could opt to hold the voting on March 30 if the districting law is passed. But their preparation could change if the Bangsamoro government does something else, such as the reopen of the accreditation of political parties and sectoral organizations. Because of this, they are proposing to Congress to actually come up with a law to fix the term or date of the Bangsamoro elections.
Sana ay magkaroon ng pagdinig patungkol dito, kung hindi man sa Bangsamoro, kahit po dito sa ating pumababang kapulungan, upang maipaliwanag namin yung hinaharap ni COMELEC na predicament at problema.
COMELEC is now studying to conduct a manual election, but they admit that their preparation will be hard because of their funds are already allocated for automated elections. The agency needs another 6 months to prepare a new source. It will also be necessary to conduct new mock elections, field testing, and international certification.
Ayaw po natin pangunahan ng Bangsamoro, yan po yung absolute discretion nila kung ano po ang kanilang gagalawin sa mga umiiral na batas. Pero syempre, ang pinaghahandaan ni COMELEC ay patungkol lang sa districting. Kung ano pa man ang pwede nila pong gawin at galawin na i-implement ni COMELEC, dyan po maaari magbago ang lahat ng paghahanda ng Commission on Elections.
The COMELEC still standing pat on holding the elections on March 30, but they say that it depends on the law the Bangsamoro government passes. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.